Okay, you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Can you hear us on this end?
I can.
You can?
Yes, I can. You're good. Can everybody else hear him? Y'all good? Good morning, everybody.
Morning, Your Honor.
I think we have everybody. So if you're good, Ms. Wiley, you ready to go?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay, first of all, just for the record, this hearing is being broadcast live on the 506 YouTube channel. This is cause number 18691, count 1 and count 2, the state of Texas versus Samantha, Samantha, Renee, Renee, Lee, Lee. Miss Lee, will you raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am? I can't hear her. Can you speak up, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we thought we had sound. Go ahead. Did you say yes, ma'am? Yes, sir, I mean? Okay, say it again. Talk.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I hear you. We're good. Okay. So with that, ma'am, can you speak, read, and write the English language?
Yes, sir.
Are you a United States citizen?
Yes, sir.
Are there any medical, mental, or physical reasons why you would not understand these proceedings today?
No, sir.
Did you have an opportunity to discuss your case with your attorney, Mr. Mark Malsberger?
Yes, sir.
Were you able to help assist him in your defense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Malsberger, do you feel like your client is competent?
No question, Judge.
All right. Do you feel like she was able to assist you in the preparation of her defense?
Judge, we have mailed back and forth any number of times right here. She has had the opportunity to go over all of her plea papers, understands that they're running all concurrent. She's had the benefit also of her attorney here in Brazos County that we've kind of worked so that we have all these cases running concurrent. My short answer is yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. Well, Miss Lee, you have 2 counts on count 1 under cause number 18691. And I'm sorry, they're both saying cause number. Under count 1, you were charged with forgery, which is a state jail felony. Is that your understanding of the allegation on count 1?
Yes, sir.
You're aware a state jail felony carries with it a punishment range of 6 months to 2 years in Texas Department of, in a state jail facility, and up to a $10,000 fine. Is that your understanding of the punishment range?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And under count 2, you were charged also with forgery, also a state jail felony. And you're aware again that, and is your understanding of the allegations against you on count 2?
Yes, sir.
And again, for count 2, you understand the punishment range for a state jail felony is 6 months to 2 years in a state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Is that your understanding of the punishment range?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with knowing both the allegations against you and the punishment range, how do you plead to cause number 18691, count 1, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And how do you plead to cause number 18691, count 2, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right, Mr. Armbruster, any offers?
Yes, Your Honor. State's Exhibit number 1.
Without objection.
All right, I will admit State's Exhibit number 1 on both cases, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I just want to go over the documents that are before the court. You had an opportunity to review with your attorney. Is that correct?
I was reading over by myself. They were sent over.
Okay, but you did discuss them with your attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, specifically, I want to talk about a document that's in both, both cases or both counts, that's entitled Written Admonishments, Trial Court's Certification of Defendant's Right to Appeal and Plea Bargain Agreement with Defendant's Written Waiver of Rights and Stipulation of Evidence. Do you recall reviewing that document?
Yes, sir.
In both counts, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And the reason I'm asking is you understand that your constitutional rights that are enumerated in the stipulations you made in that document in both counts, you understand that you're waiving the constitutional rights that are enumerated in that. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. And also in both cases, in both counts, You went over a document titled Trial Court's Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You recall going over that document in both counts?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that if you go forward today, you're waiving your right of appeal regarding these documents. Is that correct? I mean, regarding these cases. Is that correct?
Okay.
All right. All right, Mr. Mossberger, do you feel like your client understands the nature and consequence of her pleas of guilty today?
I do, Judge.
Any recommendations, Mr.
Yes,
Armbruster?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. The state recommends the defendants be sentenced to 14 months confinement in a state jail facility. Both sentences to run concurrent, cause 1 and cause 2 to run concurrent. On cause 1, Your Honor, the defendant is to make $600 restitution plus court costs. The state will also dismiss cause number 26995 counts 1 and 2. These sentences that are run concurrent with Brazos County cause numbers 21-02453-CRF-85 and 21-02454-CRF-85 and 22-01271-CRF-85. On count 2, it's all the same conditions except the amount of restitution is $851.03, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Mossberger, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is, Judge.
Okay. And Ms. Lee, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I will accept the recommendations by the state, and based upon your plea of guilty in both counts and the evidence presented to me in both counts, I do find that you are guilty beyond a reasonable doubt in both counts and sentence you to the punishment in accordance with the state's recommendation for punishment that has been approved by both you and your attorney without objection. All right. Do we have anything else? Is that it?
That's it from the state, Your Honor.
All right, guys. Y'all have a good weekend. Good luck, Miss Lee. All right.
Judge, thank you so much to you and your staff, everyone over there, the DA's office, the jail, for helping put this together. I think it saved, it did take some effort to do, but I think it saved some time and some in the long run there. So
Yeah, on occasion it's pretty good. The only times I really have concern, like on pleas, if I can get it coordinated, it's just a lot easier when we're all together doing it one time, because sometimes just to free up time is somewhat difficult. But if I can accommodate, I try. The cases where I have issues with Zoom I'm always concerned that if it's like a trial or something, there's somebody over in the corner holding up a document to answer yes or no, or maybe they have some kind of earpiece. And I guess I'm just being paranoid, but it really kind of depends on the circumstances when I'm kind of a Zoom guy. That and the reason I do arraignments and everything else and other things is when I've had them on Zoom where they'd be laying on the couch. One lady with Judge McKeag showed up with a towel naked. It's just, it's just kind of important to be in the courtroom is my personal opinion. But on occasion, I do try to accommodate. So
thank you very much.
At least Miss Lee's clothed.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, guys. Y'all have a great weekend.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Folks. Bye-bye. Yes.
With the 14 months, it's only just 14 months, right? It's not 2.
It's all concurrent. It's all running together. And it's all on the judgment that Mr. Armbruster read there to you too.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'll just make sure.
And it did say concurrent. I did read that. All right. God bless you guys.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.